means let's get rich together. Nobody should remain behind. That is indeed very, very good. Dear participants, this idea was mooted by government, spearheaded by General Museveni. Back there, about 2000. And for you, as you said, you got it 2609. It was a way which the government thought, how do we help our people? One of the ways of eradicating poverty. So I remember when we mooted this matter, His Excellency brought it to cabinet, and we were trying to really strengthen the cooperatives. So there were branches. We were trying to say, how do we call it? Suku, what? Until we got these names now saying, let us have one office which pretends these cooperatives and get money to give through these groups headed by directors. Choose people, give the groups and train them how to make money. Now you have trained. You know, the Karamojama have never been used to putting resources together. Whereas if the cows are there, they have a man can take any decision. A woman also takes decisions about crops. No, we decided to give ourselves jobs. When a woman gives out a crop and you go and quarrel as a man, you are useless. So she can decide to say, I will give a tin to my friend, the other lady, there's no problem. She's the one who prepares for the food for the home. You don't know. But she cannot come and give away a cow. It is irregular. But now we are going to things which are neither crops, neither cows. It is called money. Money belongs to all. And then the government said, why don't you organize these people into groups? Until through these officers that the groups were organized. And they fall under also a Ministry of Cooperatives. There is somebody who has been a former minister before Kasolo, who is in charge of these groups. So to say, it is government which brings the money through them, and it is the government through Museveni that decided to take this money to the people, look for them and organize them. Now, you are made to just put some money together, and then when they saw you were serious, they decided to fund you again. To say, this is our lot. Please do business, and with the profits you make, some of them are loans, you pay slowly. And I need to really thank you, members, because money is a very fragile instrument. That this money, if you don't handle well, the money will disappear. If you get an accountant, a keeper, who is bad can even run away with it. But none of you has done so. I am very happy. You put through, you invest yourself by raising this money, you get loans, you pay back, and you keep the profits. And those are the things which are now you are using for expansion for yourself. You buy land, you have not affected the money which is up to run the Sacco, and so on. This is how other people have developed, not only in Africa, all over the world. So imagine now, whoever came here to testify was talking of good things which they have done through this Sacco. They have educated their children up to universities. using this very money. And then they have bought some multiplier effects. You get things like grinding mills for grinding granules. I'm sure that one must be from Abim, because the Abim people like OD so much. You know what they do, OD? And now when the Karamunyolo gets OD and tests OD.
So I want really to convey my great thanks for no. Money for you to become rich. You hear, my dear? I hope they are listening. If my English is not good enough, somebody will translate it in Karamojo.
It's clear.
I am very glad and excited to find you here. And now you have given me another name, Dr. Yoko,
Yes.
which I'm told that I love visitors. And you are please most welcome. Now, I have about 7 things. The first one, water. As I was coming from Moroto, I could see, first of all, that side it has rained. You know water is life. Have you known that? I immediately rang the minister in charge of water, Beatrice. She comes from Kitgum here, not very far from here. I'm going to discuss with her. She had the information that we program water to come to each family. Also, to irrigate what you are going to be planting. You have taken maize, seed, the rain may stop. Now if it stops, then you are lost, because the crop will not come. Now, that's why I want, with the, as I said, with the Honorable Minister for Water, to ensure that 2, 3, 4 years from now, you are not crying water, whether it rains or it does not rain. The second point is tree planting. I've been to Karamoja many times, but at times there are areas which I normally stop to this man's place, but I would like that the government, Mr. Chairman, we must begin to plant. They can plant them. Why am I insisting on this? You normally I have heard and I've seen wind. When wind comes, everything goes down. But when the trees are around, they will protect your houses, they will protect your crops. So planting trees. Three, child labor. This really goes to the leaders here. As I came here, I could see young little girls and young little boys. They are looking after cows and goats. I doubt whether those children are in school. And yet I want every child in Karamoja to go to school. Have you heard? I want all those little children, the boys and the girls, to do what? To go to school. So that they can learn modern things and they come to help you in your families. Now for tractor, seed store. Tractor, I can assure you, you will get a tractor.